Great. Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much to all of you for subscribing to this channel. Today we're gonna be talking about how to identify a trend. How can we know where we can be selling and we can be buying in the Forex market, and then how to identify a trend in an accurate way. Because I've seen so many traders finding it very difficult to understand where they can be buying or selling in the financial market. I always receive a lot of questions from my students. They don't even know whether they should be buying or they should be selling in the market. They always get confused. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you where you can be buying, where you can be selling, and then I'm going to divide this video into different sections. What are the tools you need to look for before you can buy or trade? What are the areas you're supposed to be buying? So we're going to be talking about a trend, understanding market structure, understanding how to place a stop loss. So this video is going to be divided into different series. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also if you are new to trading, this video is for you. If you're a very professional trader, I swear this is going to help you and give you a view, understanding how to identify a trend. So let's start with the three part of trend we have. We have the uptrend, we have a downtrend, and then we have a consolidation or the range market. So before we get started, we're going to be taking a few examples on our drawing board, and then we're going to go to the live chat to see how it actually works. So traders, stay tuned to the channel. If you are new to the YouTube channel, stay tuned so you can get a clue about everything. So now let's identify a trend. We have three types of trend as we mentioned earlier. We have the uptrend, and then we have the downtrend. And we have the range or the consolidation market, where the market is only in one place, it's not moving out. So these are the three types of trend we have. So I'm going to start with the uptrend in this video, and then where we go to the downtrend. So now, how to identify uptrend? We want to see the market making higher highs and higher lows, which I normally call the 1 to 3 move. Once we get this 1 to 3 move, we already know that definitely we are in a uptrend. So this is the first move we want. We need this 1 to 3 move. So now the second thing is to know where we're supposed to be buying, where we're supposed to be selling. So now it's very simple, guys. We know that here is our support, here is our resistance. So now these are the two key areas we are paying attention to. So we don't want to be buying from up this high. Why? Because if you are buying from here, your stop loss is going to be very high, which I'm going to explain in this video where to be putting your stop loss. So what if I tell you, if you can patiently wait for this market to come right into this zone, and then you buy. So this is the first thing about the trend. So now automatically we're in the uptrend. So we get the second move again. Automatically, you're going to be our new support. You're going to be our new resistance. So again, where are we waiting to be buying in this market? We don't want to be buying from up here, no. We want to be buying right on our resistance or our support. So in the other part of the video, I'm going to be explaining what are the tools we should be looking for before we can be buying or we can be selling. So now we are explaining about the trend and then where we can spot our entry. So once the market go up again to the upside, automatically you're going to be our new support. You're going to be our new resistance. So where are we waiting for this trade again to be buying? We don't want to be buying from up here, no. We are patiently waiting to wait for the market to come into right into our support or resistance. So this is how the market works in the trending market. But we know that in reality, the market does not trend all the time. We know that. So these are the type of market you're going to be seeing all the time. So I know this is where so many traders get confused. So many people get confused in this kind of market situation. So now we know we are in the uptrend. These are our supports, and then these are our resistance. So now where the confusion takes place, you will see the market coming down, going up, coming down, going up, and then coming down. This is where so many people get confused. Even professional traders at times they get confused. People don't even know where they're supposed to be buying, where they're supposed to be selling, or they don't even know where this trend is. Some people say, "Oh no, we're in the downtrend." Here is my support, up there is my resistance. So here is my support, there is my resistance. So many people will be looking at this area as their support and resistance. So what if I tell you we are still in the uptrend? Why? Because this level have not yet got broken. So whatever we are seeing here, we know that is a consolidation. We are still in the uptrend unless this level get broken. Unless this level get broken. If this level is not broken, we are still in the uptrend. So now the reason being I'm showing this in this video, because these are the kind of market situation we're going to be getting encounter with so many times in the market. So people will say, oh no, yeah, let me put the trend line. The market have thought this my support is my resistance. No, guys, no. We are still in the uptrend unless this support level is broken. So guys, I'm going to remove all the drawing tools again. We're going to take some few examples so we can understand exactly what I'm trying to say. So first get our 1, 2, 3 move. Here is our support. Here is our resistance. Then you will see this market coming down into this level, consolidating, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, and then coming down. So we are still in the uptrend. Why? Because our support level have not yet got broken. Unless this support level is broken before we're in a downtrend. So whatever thing that is happening here, we call it the noise in the market. So guys, this is how to identify a trend. Don't get confused by this noise, because you can be selling from here, you'll be making a little bit of profit, but what if it gets stopped out? Then the market start going to its original direction. So have you seen where your mistake come from your trading? This is where so many people get confused. So many people they don't even know what they're supposed to be doing. They get confused. So automatically when we get the break, you're going to be our support, you're going to be our resistance. Then again, where are we waiting for this market? We are waiting for it to ride out of our resistance or our support level. So we get a pullback again into this level, the same consolidation phase. You can be seeing this move to the upside, to the downside, coming down again. We are still in the uptrend. Why? Because our support level have not yet got broken, and then we get another move to the upside. So guys, I hope this started to make sense now. So this is how to identify a trend. This is how to understand your area of value, your market structure, where you're supposed to be buying, where you're supposed to be selling. Don't get confused by this noise. Don't get confused by this small consolidation phase, because we're going to be seeing so many of that in our trading journey. So this is how to get a rules based in your trading. You should know exactly where you're supposed to be buying, where you're supposed to be selling, because all these are noise. All these are noise. I've seen this so many times. You get this consolidation market, this ranging market, this noise. You get it here in this area, keep on going up, keep on coming down. I've seen so many people lose money in this area to be saying, oh no, the market was in a downtrend. No, here was my support, here was my resistance. So at the end of the day, you know that the market have gone to the upside. So you'll be very, 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 very confused. So guys, this is how to identify a clear trend in market. Don't get confused. Don't get things getting you complicated in your trading. So I'm going to be making some few examples also for a market in a downtrend. So we know that when the market is in a downtrend, the market is making lower highs and lower lows. So this is how to identify a market in a downtrend. The same rules in a downtrend. You're going to be our support. You're going to be our resistance. So we don't want to be selling from here. No, we don't want to be selling from here. We only want to be selling on our support and resistance. Guys, and mention that we don't want to be selling from here unless you're a breakout trader. If you know you're not a breakout trader, you don't want to be selling from here, which I'm going to explain more in my new video, maybe a couple of days time, how to trade a breakout. But if you are not a breakout trader, we are talking about a trend, trading how to identify a trend. So we don't want to be trading or selling this market in this level unless this market come to your support and resistance level before you can be selling to the downside. So you patiently wait for your market come into your zone and then you sell. So you're going to be your new support, you're going to be your new resistance. The same rules. You don't want to be selling from up here. No, you want to patiently wait for your market to come into this zone, which is your support and resistance, as you can see, and then the market move to the downside. So this is how the market trend in the normal trending way. So as I mentioned, explained earlier, same example for the downtrend, but we know that in reality, that is not how the market just trend in a normal way. We get this situation where you're going to be our support, you're going to be our resistance, they're going to get this move, this consolidation move, coming down, going up, coming down. So people will say, oh no, we are in the uptrend, is my support, there is my resistance. Guys, we are still in a downtrend. Why? Because our support level here have not yet got broken. So whatever thing here is a noise, and then we can either move to the downside. You're going to be your new support. They're going to be your new resistance. The same rules. We don't want to be selling from here. No, we want to patiently wait for the market to come into this our zone, so we can know where we can be selling. So once the market come back into this our resistance zone, we get another move to the downside. You're going to be our new support. Previous resistance now turn support, and then we have our new resistance. So this is how to identify a trend in the downtrend. I already explained our uptrend. So guys, this is exactly how to identify a trend. We should not get things complicated. We need to keep our trading simple. We need to have a rules base in place. You know, one thing about Forex to be a successful trader is consistency. You need to be consistent in what you're doing. You need to be consistent on how to analyze your chart. We don't want to be having a rules in place where we don't even know we should be buying, we should be selling. So guys, I hope now this video started to make sense. This is where you're supposed to be buying or you're supposed to be selling, as I've explained earlier in this video. So now I'm going to remove all the join tools. We're going to see exactly on the live chart how it actually works. You know, one thing about trading, the first thing is to identify which trend are you in. Are you in an uptrend or in a downtrend? This is the first question. So once you can answer this question, you can know that yes, you're in an uptrend or you're in a downtrend. So now, how to identify a trend? As I explained earlier before in the video, this is how to identify a trend. We wait for our 1, 2, 3 move. We get this move to this upside, then we get this move to the downside. So automatically, here is my support, here is my resistance. So we get this move inside here, which is right inside our resistance. So as you can see, here is our resistance, here is our support. We get this pullback here. So remember, as I was saying, these are the area we need to be timing our entries where we should be selling. So if you will have sell from here, you know you'll have make profits to the downside. So automatically we got a break below our resistance, and then there is our support. So we get this move all the way to the downside, and then we get this pullback. As you can see, we got another move again to the downside. Automatically we get a break of this previous low. Here's our new support, here's our new resistance. We got another move again inside our resistance zone. So guys, have you seen why it's very important to be timing your trade into this our zone? So we get a pullback again, we get another move again to the downside. Automatically, here is our support, and then here is our resistance. There you see we get a pullback right into this our zone. We know that when the market comes into this our zone, we need to be selling. And then I'm going to be explaining in the video what are the things we need to look for in our video so we can be selling. So it's very important. As you can see, again, back to the video, here is our resistance, here is our support. We get this pullback right into our resistance level, as you can see. Then we got another move to the downside. Here is our resistance, and then here is our support. So the market come back into our resistance, and then here is our resistance, here is our support, we get a pullback. So have you seen why it's so important to identify your trend? So just imagine you have been selling for your big profit, you'll have big profit to the downside, you'll have big profit to the downside. This is how it actually works to identify a trend in the downtrend market. So now, unless this level is broken, so let's just assume we get a break to the upside, we know that automatically we don't want to be buying. We don't want to be selling again. We only want to be buying. Automatically, this is what we're supposed to be doing in our trading. So this is how to identify a trend. We call it a breakout. In that scenario, if it's happened, we know that the trend have changed from uptrend to downtrend. So this is based on the example I was explaining just now. Was if we get the break above this high, we wait for the pullback here, and then we start to buy. So automatically we know that the trend have changed. So in my next video, I'm going to be explaining when the trend have changed, how to put a stop loss, and then how to enter our trade. So now in this video, I'm going to be explaining about the trending market, and then where we should time our entry, and then how we can know about the trend. I hope this video started to make sense. So now we're going to take some few example for a market in an uptrend. So I'm going to remove all the drawing tools from here. Let me go to some new pairs. So let's go to the Euro, Japanese yen. Let's see exactly how to identify a trend. So as you can see in the Euro, Japanese yen, this market was in a downtrend from here to this downside. We get this pullback, we get another move, and then we have this double bottom here. So automatically we have the break above this previous high. So this is where the market have already changed from downtrend to uptrend. So we get this pullback here. Here gonna be our new resistance, it's gonna be our new support. So guys, unless this level is broken before we're in a downtrend. So now let's see if this level got broken. No, we get a move to the upside, and then we get a pullback. So you're gonna be our new support. You're gonna be our new resistance. Then we get another move again to the upside. As you can see, we have this heavy selling pressure. Then we get a pullback again here. Then we get another move to the upside. So before I proceed with this video, let me show you about what I was saying about the market noise. Okay, so I'm gonna remove these drawing tools from here. Let's see exactly. As you can see, this market consolidate from here, coming down, going up, start keep on consolidating from here. So guys, we are staying up trend. Why? Because this our previous level have not yet got broken, and then we get this pullback, and then the market move to the upside. So automatically they're going to be our new support. It's going to be our new resistance. So we got to break above, we got to pull back inside the zone. So you guys can see our level is still intact. It have not yet got broken, and then we get a move to the upside. So guys, have you seen why it's very, very important to be timing our entry into this our zone? We don't want to be buying from here. As you can see, if you are buying from here, when your stop loss is going to be, you're going to have a high stop loss and then a high risk. So it's good to time your entry into this level, and then we're going to move to the upside. As you can see, we get a small retracement, and then market go up again, come down a little bit, and then start to move to the upside. So automatically, you're going to be our new support, you're going to be our new resistance. You can see we get a pullback into this our zone, and then we have this heavy buying pressure to the upside. So guys, here is our resistance, here is our support. Unless that level is broken, let's see if the level got broken. No, the level is still not broken, so everything is intact. And then let's see what happened. We get this move to the downside, and then the market keep on going to the upside. Automatically, here is our new support, here is our new resistance. So guys, I hope this video started to make sense. So as you can see, now we get this pullback again right into this our resistance zone to the downside here, and then here right into our resistance. As you can see here, the market move to the upside. So now let's see if we have the break above again to the upside. Yes, boom, we have this heavy move to the upside, a really heavy move. We get this pullback back into our resistance zone, as you can see here, and then we get this move to the upside. So here is our new support, here is our new resistance, unless this level get broken before we are in a downtrend. So now let's see again what happened here. Boom, we get the heavy move to the upside. As you can see, we get this small retracement here, we get this move again. So guys, something have happened here. Why? This market have already break below this our previous support. So automatically the trend have changed from uptrend to downtrend. Now we don't want to be buying again. So automatically we have a trend change. So now we are waiting for a pullback. So now guys, this is the rules here, which I'm going to explain when the trend have changed in my next video. So we're going to wait for our pullback, our stop loss are going to be above here. I'm going to be explaining about how to put a stop loss, and then how the market going to move to the upside. So guys, this is how to identify a trend in the trending market. So I hope this video started to make sense. In my new video, I'm going to be posting how to put a stop loss, how to get your exact entry reason, and then what are the tools we need to be looking for before we can enter a trade. We don't just want to come and enter a trade. So no, this is a pullback, I enter my trade. No, there are some particular things we need to be looking for. There's a particular patterns, particular confirmation we need to be looking for. I'm going to be explaining my new video I'm going to be posting this week. So you guys, if you are new to the channel, stay tuned. I'm going to be posting so many videos for beginner in the Forex market. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. Thank you all for joining me today once more. Happy trading and enjoy your weekend.